Hi to all! In this video, I am sharing a very easy and variety method of chicken curry. For this method, the ingredients are very minimal. And you can try this method in your special occasions like parties. The result will be really yummy. Before going to the recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. So we will see the recipe in detail. Take 70 to 75 grams of cashew nuts, 7 to 8 pods of garlic and 5 to 6 dried red chillies. Grind it to a paste using some water and keep it aside. Take a saucepan and add some oil to it. To the hot oil, add the chopped onions and saute it. Add some salt to it and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of pepper crushed, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. If you don't have the tomato paste, you can add the puree of 1 small tomato and mix well. Wash and drain 300 grams of chicken and add to this mix. Mix it well. Close it with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Open the lid after 5 minutes. Add cashew garlic paste to it. Combine the mixture well. Now you can check the taste and add the salt if needed. Pour 1 full glass of water. Put on the lid and cook it in a very low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid and check the chicken. If it is cooked well, you can off the flame. Now your chicken curry is ready. You can serve it. I highly recommend this recipe. This chicken curry is very easy to make and yummy to eat. So please try this recipe and give your feedback through comments. If you like my video, please do subscribe and give a big thumbs up and do share with your friends. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.